Everyone, children, welcome to biology session. Today we are going to deal with scientific methods. Let me share the screen. Yes, yeah, scientific method. So what is scientific method, children? We are dealing with what is science chapter, right? What is scientific method? Scientific method is nothing but scientists follow specific way for their innovations. The way that they follow is called as scientific method. Like they will never think like a common people, isn't it? Their thought process is different. Their observation, they question themselves, they hypothesize, and they conclude, they give result with some reasons and with some proofs. They follow some techniques, they follow some technique way by way, step by step. Okay, now we are going to study that. They use organized ways called as scientific methods which help them to plan and conduct a study. They use scientific process skills, children. They are nothing but gathering information, organize, analyze, and present their information. Scientific method follows these steps. With the plan and investigation. Scientific method follows 5 steps, children. What the scientists follow, okay? Scientific method: observation and ask questions, form a hypothesis, plan an experiment, conduct the experiment, draw conclusion, and communicate result. Now we are going to go in detail with each and every step. First one, observation and ask questions. So in this, scientists will use the sense to make observe. If you are doing any experiment, first you need to start with observation and ask questions to them. Like record one question that you would like to answer, write down what you have already know about the topic of your question. Okay, keep writing of what you are observing. Decide what other information you need. Do research to find more information about your topic. Okay, these all comes under observation. Okay, observation. For example, just we will observe a person known as Sam here. Okay, he wanted to do observe and he wanted to do an experiment in a scientific method. So he was thinking which soil works better for planting bean seeds. I need to find out more about different types of soils. So in this first step, he is starting his experiment like that. Next, we will go with the next step, form a hypothesis. So write a possible answer or hypothesis to your question. So hypothesis might be a possible answer that can be tested, children. So hypothesis, for example, Sam has hypothesized that bean seeds sprouted best in potting soil. So there are 3 types of soils: potting soil, clay soil, and sandy soil. He is guessing. Okay, he is guessing here. But still he need to go with the third step known as plan and experiment. So in plan and experiment, what he will do, what is his main agenda? He should decide how to conduct a fair test of your hypothesis by controlling variables. Variables are nothing but they are the factors, children, that can affect the outcome of the investigation, like light, water. They're all the fixed variables, children. Soil is the changing variable. Soil is a changing variable. So write down the steps that you will follow in this step. Okay, plan 3, what you are seeing, what you are observing, and list out the equipment that you need for the experiment. So what he has done, he decided that I'll put identical seeds in 3 different kinds of soil: sandy, clay, potting soil. Each flower pot will get same amount of water and light. See, these are the variables. So I'll be controlling the variables of water and light. So in this way, he has planned an experiment in step 3. Now let's go with step 4, children. We wanted to conduct the experiment now because all the materials, equipments are ready. In third step, proceed with the experiment. Follow the steps that you have written from the beginning, from step 1, what you have written. Observe and measure carefully, record everything that happens, organize your data so that you can study it carefully. Okay, I'll measure each plant every 3 days. Okay, what he has conducted, what he has decided that. Okay, I'll record the result in a table and then make a bar graph to show the height of each plant 21 days after I planted the seeds. He wanted to observe that, okay, while conducting the experiment. Then what is the final step, children? Final step is draw conclusion and communicate results. So here he will analyze the data you gather, make charts, tables, graphs to show your data. It depends on your experiment what you are doing. Okay, write a conclusion, describe the evidence you use to determine whether your test supported your hypothesis or not, decide whether your hypothesis is correct or not, children. So here how he has decided, he said that my hypothesis is not correct. The seeds sprouted equally well in potting soil and sandy soil. Okay, but they have sprouted well in clay soil but with less growth, he said. But why he said his hypothesis is not correct, because in step 2 what he thought, in potting soil, yes, in potting soil there will be a good growth, he thought like that. But his idea or his expectations has changed. So he finally concluded that potting soil, sandy soil are very much suitable. They are giving good sprouts and good growth. Okay, but these are all the 5 steps, children. After completing these 5 steps, scientists will never stop investigating further. So next step will be investigating further. For example, if you hypothesize, if your hypothesis is correct, you may want to pose another question about your topic that you can test. See, for example, half correct. Here he has hypothesized half correct that potting soil good sprouts will come. But here can you see the clay soil but with less growth, he said. That means what he will do, he will change the variables when it is coming with the clay soil, children. That means he will adjust the variables and he will also make the clay soil to sprout well equally to potting soil and sandy soil. Yes. Yeah. So if hypothesis is correct also, they will work scientist. If it is incorrect also, they will investigate further. You may want to form another hypothesis and do a test of a different variable. So in this way, okay. So I will plan and conduct a test using potting soil, sandy soil, and a combination of clay, sandy, and potting soil. So in this way, if the hypothesis is correct also, he wanted to do something, investigate something out of that. If it is wrong also, he wanted to correct his observation, he wanted to correct his experiment. Okay, so in this way scientists will deal with the method, scientific method, in this way. So it's not like a common man. Okay, he will follow the stepwise procedure to confirm that yes, this is the experiment about. He will give the final confirmation after conducting all the steps. Hope you understood the class, children. Thank you.